Hello everybody, we are currently going on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train here in Walt Disney World, Florida. But what are you guys doing? I know what you're doing. You're watching
Somethingville.
It's too dark in here, you can barely see us. You can barely see us. We're going on the ride right now. We're just getting in the queue. There's the ride right there. We are going to go, what number are we on, Joey? We don't even know. Joey, come with me. Oh my goodness. Which one are we on? We are on 5. We are number 5. Good old number 5. Are you ready to ride this ride?
You'll see us in a minute.
We just rode it actually, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how we did on. Watch your fingers. No dancing on the ride. No dancing on the ride.
Where are we going today?
I know. Yes. We paid for the extra magic morning or whatever this morning. And so from 7:30 to 9 o'clock. And so we're here riding Seven Dwarfs Mine Train as much as we can before it gets crazy and the 90 to 100, 120 minute waits materialize. So we are, after this we're going to try to go in Peter Pan, aren't we? Yes, we're going to try to Peter Pan, yes. But first we're going to ride on Mine Train. And here's our car. Here's our buckets. Here's our Mine Train. Gotta get in these little seats. I can barely fit my backpack in here. Push down on my lap bar. Push up. Okay. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
No dancing on the ride again. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, Daddy, no dancing.
No dancing on the ride. Yes. All right. We are ready for this ride, and here it goes. And here it goes. Oh, look at the vultures. Wow. All right. We're going down. Oh, we're going in the line. Oh, this part's beautiful, isn't it? Yogi or whatever. Going down. There you go down. Oh, there's it. Whoa! There's the castle. Wow, beautiful. Oh, there's fantasy land. Get a little puppy. A little fast. Oh, that is a fun one, isn't it, Joby? That is a fun little ride. What'd you think?
Yeah.
Oh, where's that? What's over there? Oh my goodness! Look at the little woodland critters. Somebody's yodeling in there. I don't know. What do you think? Snow White looks kind of fun. What are your thoughts? Give me your thoughts on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
I like it.
That's your second time riding it, right? Second time on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. This is
our second last day.
I know, our second last day. We're going to go to Epcot tomorrow. Look at the hair ties. A bunch of hair ties right there. What the heck was that? All right, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Who put all the hair ties?
Who put all the hair ties there? All right, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is something, isn't it?
The hair ties are something.
Hair ties are something too. All right.